Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup. Do it now so nothing is lost. Next, inspect the file size and open the PNG header with a hex editor to confirm signature bytes 8954E47. If the extension says PNG but header differs, change it back or extract the data. Once done, run a quick PNG check or similar to list damaged chunks. This gives you targets to repair. Make sure to note exact chunk names like IDER, IDET, END before modifying anything. Now you focus on the middle, damaged chunks. You'll often repair or replace the IDER if malformed, copy IDER from a matching PNG with same dimensions, then adjust CRCs. If IDET is corrupt, attempt recompression. Extract remaining IDET blocks, run zlib repair tools, or remove bad blocks and stitch the good ones. Use the hex editor to correct chunk lengths and CRC values. After each change, rerun PNG check. If you see progress, save incremental backups and proceed carefully. Finish by validating the file and converting it to a new PNG. You should run PNG check again and open the image in 2 different viewers to confirm consistent decoding. If conversion succeeds, resave with a fresh encoder like ImageMagick to remove leftover corruption. If things go wrong, try photo rec or carve raw pixel data from the disk image. Sometimes recovering raw RGB strips is the only option. Finally, keep a good backup strategy so future corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.